Hey guys, today let's learn how to unlike all of the photos on Instagram with just one click. So all we need to go ahead and do is to launch the Instagram application, and you can actually go ahead and access your liked videos through your profile. So just tap on your profile, tap on this three lines icon in the top right corner, and then tap on your activity. Now you will see this option over here called likes over on interactions. I want you to tap on that and you should see this option. Basically, you're going to see a list of all of your liked videos that you have liked from the past. So you can actually go ahead and dislike all of these, just tapping on the select option on the top right corner and then selecting each individual photos, videos, or reels that you have liked before. And this is going to basically allow you to just tap on this unlike button right here to unlike it with just one tap of this button. As you would see, just tapping on this button will unlike these 12 selected photos, videos, and reels with just that click. Now essentially that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.